Hello everybody, welcome to KeToMi Recipes or KeToMi Recipes, and today we're going to be making some Taco Bell wings. That's right, Taco Bell wings. All you're going to need is Taco Bell seasoning. You can use original or mild. You're going to need some cayenne pepper, some baking powder. You can use any type of baking powder, some sea salt, olive oil. I'm using Frank's Red Hot sauce and some Topo Chico, which is just some mineral water just to give our chicken some crisp. We're also going to use 1 egg for our sauce, and let's get started here. So for our sauce, what you're going to use is 1 egg, crack it open, get inside the bowl. Next, I'm going to be using some Frank's Red Hot sauce. I'm going to be using at least 1 tablespoon. You can use more or less depending on how spicy you want your sauce. I am going to be making this a little bit more spicy since the Taco Bell seasoning I'm using is mild. So before I add some more spice, I'm going to add 1 pinch of salt. I'm going to be using some cayenne pepper. The cayenne pepper, I used about 1 tablespoon. You can use more or less depending on how spicy you want yours. After that, have that on the side. You can mix it at any time. We're going to be adding that mixture into our mix later. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to your dried wings. And then I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And I'm also going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of the Taco Bell seasoning here. You want to make sure that you get a nice even spread. This is where the magic happens. This is what makes the Taco Bell wings right here. So, you know, you can put as much seasoning as you want. Here's the blended mixture of the sauce mixture that we made earlier. You're going to go ahead and add that all together. And the final ingredient I'm going to be using in this recipe is going to be some of the Topo Chico, which is club soda, mineral water. That's just going to be making our wings even more crispy and give your wings a nice mix. Get your wings on a wire rack and place them in the oven at 400 degrees for 40 minutes, flipping at 20 minutes each side, or you can cook them longer if you want them more crispy. Guys, this was the final product. I had these with some condiments. These were really good. If you like videos like this, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you won't miss another KeToMi Recipes video. I try to make these as quick as possible so you guys can enjoy. Until next time, bye-bye.